The journey begins in endless fields where bread starts as grain. Freshly harvested wheat moves quickly toward industrial processing. From farm to factory, every mile carries the raw material of daily bread. The grain reaches the first industrial step before becoming flour. Massive intake systems move tons of grain every hour.
Before milling, the grain must be purified for food production.
Every kernel is screened before entering the milling system.
The wheat transforms into the fine flour that defines bread. Processed flour now travels to the bakery production plant.
Flour enters sealed systems designed for continuous production.
Every ingredient is measured with industrial precision. Here, industrial baking begins on a massive scale. Activated yeast gives industrial bread its rise and texture. Automated systems move ingredients without interruption. Industrial mixing develops the structure needed for perfect bread. Continuous conveyors keep production moving every second. Automation keeps every loaf identical from line to line. A second rise develops the final loaf shape before baking. Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled for consistency. The baking stage transforms dough into finished bread. Inside the oven, heat completes the transformation from dough to bread. Heat activates the final rise that gives bread its volume. Controlled baking creates the color and texture consumers recognize instantly. Thousands of hot loaves leave the oven every hour. Automated systems separate bread from pans without slowing production.
Continuous recycling of pans keeps the production cycle moving non-stop.
Cooling stabilizes the bread before slicing and packaging.
Sensors monitor flow and temperature across the entire bakery line. Sensors monitor flow and temperature across the entire bakery line.
Digital inspection systems ensure uniform quality at industrial scale.
Precision alignment prepares the bread for exact slicing.
High-speed slicers create the uniform texture expected from sandwich bread. Every slice is cut with exact industrial precision.
Controlled handling prevents the soft bread from losing shape.
Packaging systems operate continuously at incredible speed.
Texture is measured with scientific precision. Safety standards are verified at every level. Only verified products continue forward. The product is now ready for distribution.
From production to storage, the journey continues.
Automation ensures strength and stability in every stack. Protective wrapping prepares goods for the outside world. Orders are assembled for global distribution. The final handoff begins at the loading dock. Every shipment is secured for the journey ahead. From factory floor to the open road. A complete system working in perfect harmony.